Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Withings Body Smart scale. This smart scale promises to do more than just measure your weight. It claims to provide a comprehensive view of your body composition and health metrics, all through a sleek and user-friendly app. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Withings Body Smart scale comes in a minimalistic, modern design with a choice of black or white finishes. The bright display guides you on where to stand and is accompanied by extra feet for carpeted floors, ensuring accurate readings regardless of your surface. Setting up the scale was a breeze. It took me just a couple of minutes to download the Withings app, create my profile, and sync the scale via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The app walks you through the entire process seamlessly, making it accessible even for less tech-savvy users. Now, let's talk features. The Withings app is where this scale truly shines. It not only tracks your weight but also provides insights into body fat percentage, muscle mass, bone density, heart rate, and more. What sets it apart is the app's ability to explain these metrics in detail, backed by references to scientific journals. Plus, you get access to additional health articles and tips, though some are locked behind a premium subscription. Navigating the Withings app is a joy. It's beautifully designed with intuitive graphs and trends that visualize your progress over time. I particularly like the integration with Apple Health and Google Fit, which allowed me to sync my fitness data effortlessly. In terms of accuracy, the Body Smart scale performed well in my tests. While I couldn't verify its absolute accuracy without lab equipment, it consistently provided reliable readings comparable to other high-end smart scales. Compatibility-wise, it worked seamlessly with my iPhone and third-party fitness apps, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to integrate their health data across platforms. So, should you buy the Withings Body Smart scale? If you're serious about tracking your body metrics beyond just weight, and appreciate a well-designed app that educates and motivates, then yes, it's worth considering. However, keep in mind that some advanced features require a subscription, which might not be necessary for everyone. That wraps up our review of the Withings Body Smart scale. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Also, let us know in the comments below if you've tried this scale or if you have any questions. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, your source for honest reviews.